Hey guys, just want to give a quick breakdown of this optic fiber cleaner that I was gifted, and overall it's an efficient tool designed for maintaining clean optical connections. It provides over 500 cleans, making it durable and cost-effective solution for regular fiber, Endface, and optical connector cleaning. The compact and easy to use design ensures quick and thorough cleaning of MTP connectors, helping to maintain optimal signal quality and prevent performance issues. The cleaner effectively removes dust, oil, and other contaminants from fiber optic connectors, ensuring reliable data transmission. Perfect for technicians and professionals working with fiber optic networks. This cleaner guarantees high performance and long-lasting results.